Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you the screen of gestures of OPPO F19s smartphone. Okay, to enable it, first go to settings. Okay, now in settings slide down and go to convenience tools, and in this go to gesture and motions, and here you can see the screen of gestures. Use specify gesture on the screen for quick access when the screen is off. Okay, now tap over there and tap here to enable it. So you can see double tap to wake a screen, draw an O to open camera, draw a V to turn on flashlight, and this is for music control, and you can also add the custom gesture over there. So just tap over there to enable it. Okay, so if we talk about the double tap to wake a screen, let's check this out. So you can see now the screen is off. Okay, so you can see I double tap and the screen turn on. So you can see currently screen is off. Just double tap to wake up the screen and unlock it. Just double tap to wake up the screen and then unlock it to use the phone. And you can see draw an O to open camera. Okay, so if we draw O, so here you can see. Okay, now tap on OK, allow permission. So you can see draw O to open camera. You can see when the screen is off, just draw O to open camera like this. And when the screen is off, if we draw V, so you can see if we draw V, flashlight turn on, and press the power key to turn it off. Just draw V to turn on the flashlight, you can see, and press the power key to turn it on off. So guys, this is the screen of gesture of OPPO F19s smartphone. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and click on bell icon for latest updates.